Hey guys, Kim here of YugaTech, and a few days ago, we were in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia for HP's Home Planet 2018 event, where they launched the newest models of the Spectre 13 and 15 X360 2-in-1 laptops. And boy, we were surprised at how much their design were reimagined. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit that red bell icon to get notified of our future uploads. So without further ado, let's take a look at them, shall we? Seeing the new Spectre 13 and 15 up close, they both look very similar to their previous iterations. They look super premium with that aluminum chassis. However, HP has now implemented a gem cut design this time, which gives a more interesting look, as well as more design advantages. Taking a look at the back, we have something new here as well. There are now components on the top corners of each side, and they're positioned diagonally. The power button is found on the top left corner, while the USB Type-C Thunderbolt port can be found on the top right corner. This is actually pretty clever since having these on the corners eliminates the need to have plugs sticking out directly from the side, since this can hinder movement. This is a very powerful design choice in my opinion. Even if it's so simple, we gotta give props to HP for this, as they normally follow the same old rectangular design. Alright, so given the naming scheme, the Spectre 13 naturally has a 13.3-inch screen, while the Spectre 15 comes with a 15.6-inch screen. Both have nice, thin side bezels and come with a 4K option, which is always a plus for creativity and productivity. There's not much screen flex, which attests to the sheer build quality of these devices. As for port selection, both laptops have pretty much the same stuff, with the exception of the Spectre 15 having an HDMI port. We get one full-size USB 3.0 port, two Thunderbolt 3 ports each, a headphone jack, and a new thing, a privacy webcam kill switch that lets you disable your webcam electronically. This way, there's no need for covering it with a sticker like the old days. Just like with previous models, both devices can fold their screens 360 degrees to activate tablet mode, hence the name X360. The hinges are very solid, but give enough slack to be folded with one hand. Taking a look at their backlit keyboards, the Spectre 15 has a full-size layout, while the 13-inch one doesn't have a numpad. The keys have good spacing and are somewhat tactile, though are a bit mushy for my liking. The trackpad? It's awesome. It's wider than usual, and moving your fingers across the surface is really nice, and it has the right balance of friction and smoothness. It's also got a fingerprint scanner, which is always nice. We also get Bang & Olufsen speakers, which have really nice audio quality. For internals, the Spectre 15 features an NVIDIA GTX 1050 Ti Max Q, while the Spectre 13 doesn't have a dedicated GPU. But both models are equipped with an Intel Whiskey Lake processor. HP is boasting that the Spectre 13 has an impressive battery life of 22.5 hours, but we all know that number is just marketing. We're gonna have to wait and see how long it lasts with practical usage. The Spectre 15, on the other hand, focuses more on performance thanks to its inclusion of a dedicated GPU. I can't wait to take both 2-in-1 convertibles for full spin, but for now, the HP Spectre 13 X360 starts at 87,990 pesos, while the Spectre 15 X360 is yet to be priced. What do you guys think? Isn't the corner port design a nice touch for the new HP X360s? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Alright, that's about it. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, hit the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video, and visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this is Kim, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!